Hey guys, this is Taib Salman back with the next video. This will be the start of my DevOps series where I'll be covering the different areas which are there in DevOps. So stay tuned for more videos regarding the DevOps related activities. So everybody at some point of time they has to when they'll be starting the DevOps activities, the first thing they'll be starting is to create an account. So in this video we'll be covering how to create an AWS account with 5 simple and easy steps. So in this 5 steps we'll be covering our identification verification by verifying our email and phone number, and also we'll be entering our address and along with some billing setup. Don't worry, it's completely free of cost, you will not be charged anything. Get started with the 5 steps to create an AWS account. So first I'm heading over to the Google to type AWS console on the search bar. So once I enter AWS console, I'll see the first result. I click on it, so this page loads up where it says AWS console. I click on complete sign up button. So once I click on this complete sign up button, I'll be shown this page. We can see that there is a login and create new AWS account. I clicked on it, I'll get this view where I have to sign up for AWS account by giving my root email address and AWS account name. So for the explanation of this video, I have used some email ID, and I'll be giving some random name as TS projects. So once I click on that verify email button, so AWS will send an email to the Gmail which I have mentioned above, where it will contain the verification code. Okay, let's get that verification code from our Gmail account. So as we can see here, we have received an email. So the code written here is this one. I'm gonna copy this code and I'm gonna paste it in the input and click on verify. Now it says my email has been successfully verified. Now once the email is verified, I'm creating, it is asking for me to create a root, user and password. Below the 4 checkboxes are shown that it should contain uppercase, lowercase, number and non-alphanumeric characters. So let's try to make up a password which falls under these 4 criteria. It's simple, you can give any password such that you remember it, okay? Then I'm confirming my root user password. So this is the first step. First step gets completed. Let's go to the next step. It says here continue, step 1 of 5. So in step number 2, I'll be giving my contact information where it has asked for some details like my full name, phone number and so on. Let's go to each of the inputs and fill the details. Here I'm entering my phone number and I select my country code to be India since I'm residing in India. The next step is to select our country code, address and city. Let me just skip these few steps so that you can enter. So I've entered the address. I just have to check box as I've read that agreement and go to the third step. Now here the third step is to give our billing information. So here it is, AWS is giving some information regarding that it's there's something called free tier. I'll explain all these things in my next upcoming videos. Let me know if you want me to make separate video regarding what is covered and not covered in the free tier. Don't worry, nothing will be debited from your account. So in India, when we are verifying, somewhere around 2 rupees will get deducted. Again, once your verification and account creation is done, those 2 rupees will be refunded back to your account. So it's like without any cost, free of charge. So let me fast forward these details, entering the expiry and cardholder's name. So here whatever I had entered the address, the same address I have selected for billing. Here I do have the PAN number, so I just click S, but I'm not going to enter my PAN number because later also I can provide this PAN number. So once I click on verify and continue, so whatever is my bank account is, like based on that, the net banking portal will automatically open and we could see this screen coming up. Now here it is asking for the OTP which I would receive from my bank for a deduction of 2 rupees as I said earlier. So once I enter this OTP which is received on my phone, I'll be able to complete this transaction. I'm clicking on submit button. So once it is submitted, the payment will be recorded on the AWS side and our billing information would have been verified. Now our billing information has been verified. Now it's regarding confirming my identity with the help of my phone number verification. Here, if you could remember, we just verified the email, we did not verify our phone number. Now in this step, we'll be verifying our phone number. So on click of this send SMS, so we will receive an SMS. So here we'll be entering our verification code. So once I enter the code and click on continue, so as you can see here, the last is a support plan. So right now, just don't worry about any other thing. Just select the basic support and we are done with the 5 steps. So if you have enough time, you can read all these details and you can get started. Or else you can just select the basic support, the free version, and you can click on the complete sign up page, which is there below. So there you go, guys. Our account has been successfully created, and we get a congratulations message from the AWS. Now let's try to access the management portal by clicking on this button. Now once I come up here, I'll see this account like this web page. You just have to click on sign into console. So remember the email ID and the password which you have created just before. Let's try to enter the same email ID and password. So since this account is created, let's try to access any service. We will get this message complete sign up. So whenever this pop-up is received, you can just click on the complete your AWS registration button which is below. Now again it says the congratulations. Once you click on go to management console, you will be able to access. So it may happen that while you are registering for the AWS account, it will take some time to give you the access of complete services that EC2, S3, and the CloudWatch, all those services. Just keep one thing in mind that once you have registered, so it may take some time by the AWS to give you the complete access of their portal, because it's no is it is to manage your complete infrastructure. They have to set up a lot of things like your credential, like accessibility to all those things. So you may face some delay. So just try after a few minutes, like you'll be able to access all the details. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos where we'll talk about the good practices which we'll be doing on the DevOps related side, and also different services we'll be tackling, and how to do the configuration, how to access each of the service, and what's the benefits of them. So we'll keep all the videos practical and up to the point. We'll not go much in the details, so which will easily let you get started with the DevOps journey. That's it for this video. See you in the next video.